So this is the future home of Mobile Outfitters. I currently have a warehouse and office space to our left, and they'll be moving their office over into this 2,500 square foot office space. Right here, this will all be open floor plan with vinyl plank flooring. We'll have a new painted ceiling and basically be full of open standing desks. They will have a new kitchen space to the rear and also a new kiosk in the front.
I would say the challenges with this kind of space and renovation is really, just getting started. After you're started and kind of up and running, you're moving. But until you figure out, does that existing outlet need to be moved because the wall that we designed is in this spot, or does that ductwork work in that location, or do we need to extend it? Once we kind of get those variables out of the equation and you're at that finishing stage, that's when you're kind of free and clear.
So the floor, right now, this carpet is on a concrete slab. They're going to rip all this out and replace it with a vinyl tile. It has the look of wood, the feel of wood, but is much more durable for a commercial office space. So they'll put that in. Most of the walls will be painted drywall. Nice clean look that'll blend in with the concrete exposed structure that's in place now here. This is all a brick wall in the back, so that'll just get painted. Ceiling will get repainted, all new lighting fixtures. So, this is pretty empty right now. We have a lot of things that will be coming out and being put back in, but this is it.
Hi, I'm Evan Gasparini. I'm one of the directors here at Design Blends. I'm the director of virtual experiences.
My name is Alexandra, and I am the interior designer at Design Blends.